3, 2, 1.
What's happening, boys? So I finally managed to get some work done on my XR5. I have got basically everything ready to go except the shell. That's going to be my next and last project to get this car up and running. But I thought what I'd do is I would just give you guys the pleasure of having the OBR Reed 34 motor first start. I have choked it, it's popped once, but I haven't started it. Thought I'd also just give you guys a bit of a look at what's going on here. Let me just turn the car. So I've stuck in a high-tech 845 for the steering and a Savox 1211 for the throttle brake. I also changed out the ProBite clutch for a regular clutch. So I've got an FS clutch in there and a DDM 9500 spring. And what else? Yeah, the gearing in here is freaking crazy. It is 2461 for first gear and 2758 for second gear. So it's pretty freaking crazy. I also have, as I might have mentioned earlier, bought an OBR 34 Reed motor to go in there, and I was a bit concerned about stuff like the air filter and the way the air filter is set up, and there's a little clip down there that actually holds it in place. What I found is if I just grabbed this thing and just tilted it, it seems to work all right, and it hasn't collapsed this inlet. And even if I did have the air filter the stock way, it would still be rubbing this, in fact even more, because the angle would be different. So yeah, there we have it. Oh, what else have I done? I have put in a Hill Neutronics kill switch. So it's just a standard kill switch, and let's see if we can get her started. Okay, like I said, it has popped once, so it's just a question of giving it another pull. Okay. So tennis court is hardly the place to get the 2-speed really engaged, but yeah, I'm pretty excited. It hasn't been so exciting until I could get my motor in, which seemed to take a little bit of time, but I'm there now. No point in dwelling on things that had happened. I've got my motor. I got 2 sets of wheels for it. I've got some rally wheels which I've got on there now, and I've got a set of road wheels as well. So I've just got to head out down to my local hobby shop and pick up a few supplies to get that body painted. So stay tuned. There's definitely going to be some more footage with my car real soon. Thanks all for watching, and yeah, stay tuned. Cheers.